Your brand is what other people say about you when you're not in the room. Jeff Bezos, owner of Amazon. Enters Adrian, an energetic e-commerce entrepreneur, ready to tap into the power of ChatGPT to skyrocket her brand to billionaire status. Adrian understands the first step is all about research. And boy, is she ready to dig deep. I know my ideas are unique, but how do I use ChatGPT to help me research, differentiate my brand, and take it to the next level? Well, Adrian, ChatGPT is an AI tool that can help you gain insights into your market, competitors, and potential customers. To start, identify your target's audience demographics, interests, and needs. Next, you could use ChatGPT to research your competition. Ask it about their products, services, and pricing to understand your market positioning. Finally, tap into current market trends and opportunities with a simple inquiry. Once you have the data, plan your launch, craft your brand identity, and set up your digital asset. Examples of using ChatGPT. ChatGPT, summarize the latest trends in the e-commerce industry. Compare the pricing strategies of top e-commerce brands. Give me ideas for differentiating my e-commerce brand. Identify the interest of Gen Z consumers in the fashion industry. How to create a marketing plan for an e-commerce brand. But don't stop at ChatGPT, Adrian. Tools like ShineRanker can help with SEO and competitive analysis, while BuzzSumo can help you understand what content is resonating in your industry. Billionaires like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Jeff Bezos have leveraged AI tools for research to propel their brands to extraordinary heights. It's about taking action every day towards your why, just like they did. Let's simulate a brainstorming session using ChatGPT to come up with a unique product line for your e-commerce brand. Reflection questions. How can AI tools streamline your research process? What unique insights do you gain about your brand from using ChatGPT? How can these insights shape your brand strategy? Remember, giving back is also important. Use ChatGPT to research a local charity. Dedicate a portion of your profits to them. It's a win-win. So Adrian, using machine learning tools like ChatGPT can power up your brand research and help you understand your market, competition, and opportunities. It's about staying ahead like Google Bard, but never losing sight of your purpose. Interactive activities. Individual, use ChatGPT to create a competitive analysis report. Team building, use ChatGPT to brainstorm new marketing strategies. Self-development, use ChatGPT to read up on successful branding strategies. Step-by-step process. Number 1, identify your target audience. Number 2, research your competition. Number 3, use ChatGPT to help with the above and to understand market trends. Number 4, create your brand identity. Number 5, launch your brand with a robust digital presence. And remember, Adrian, billionaires aren't made overnight. It's about consistency and always pushing forward. Now, go forth and create your billionaire brand. For digital marketing help, visit https://www.seochangemarketing.com.